Hello, good morning. This is JL sa M88 Realty, Real Estate Broker. Today na ata sa Pristina North Residences. I-show na ko ang mga property dire. And we have one house for sale sa Pristina, no? So, without further ado, let me show you the property. This is the property. This is the end unit townhouse of Pristina. So, as you can see, this is all the houses. Okay, this is end unit. 165 ang iyang area. So you have here 2 car parking. Okay, duha ka buk iyang car park. You also have here garden. Pwede ka magbutan og mga tree diri like that one, no, mga rubber plant. And this is the duplex type, no. Okay, so from the entrance na diri ato ang maid's room. Okay, so this is the maid's quarter, by the way. And napod siya iyahang kagulingong toilet and bath. Okay. Okay, gawas nimo dirty kitchen. Okay. This is the dirty kitchen of the maid's room. Separate ato ang kuan diri maid's quarter, no. Okay, so atong view sa atong unit atong makita gihapon. Okay, so igsulod na to. Okay, so this is the living room sa property. Okay, living room na to. And we have their kitchen. Okay, built-in cabinets. Okay, so while washing here, you can check outside, no, your garage. Okay, you have here sliding door outside. Okay, so pwede ka magbutang diri table here para sa imong access. And then here your back, pwede nimo mini garden. Okay. You have here storage area. Here, muna itong storage. Okay, so sa ubos 4 steps. You have here your living room. Okay, ang dining living room na to. Okay, this is the living room. Okay, separate itong living, no. Okay, so imong view diri sa living room is ang here's the window. So ang guardhouse here, that's the guardhouse. And you have a big space sa back, no? So Kenneth and Mac, by the way, our window, Kenneth and Mac. Also the sliding door, Kenneth and Mac, ya po siya. And here sa ubos natay powder room. Okay, this is the powder room sa ubos. And sa back na to, mao ni ato ang back portion sa property. Tako kayo og area 2 meters. Okay, let's go to second floor. This is the second floor, no. Okay, so these two rooms rooms. There's common area. This is common area. 1 bedroom. Common. And mo na iyang common toilet and bath sa duha ka bedroom. Okay? And this is also the ikaduha nga bed, which is nasa built-in cabinets. And the view here is very nice. No? Mountain, of course, facing east, no? So this is the duplex type. So nice kayo mong view dire. Okay? And we have here common balcony. No? Nice kaya ito ang balcony. Dako kay area. Okay? It's a common balcony. And let's go to the master's bedroom. Okay, mo niya itong master's bedroom. Alright, nice. Nadiri mo ang bed here. And of course, dito atong walk-in closet. Here. Walk-in closet with built-in cabinets. Here is the built-in cabinet. And of course, your toilet and bath. Toilet and bath here. Nanay glass daan. Okay. Mga itong deliverable units. And ito ang balcony. No, ang view na to sa itong master's bedroom is here. Okay. So we have space, napatay space diha, no? So open space lang na siya. Connected dito nga part, connected to the garden. And here is your view. Bugnaw kayo nito yung lugar. Kaya na ay tree, no? Okay. Okay, so guardhouse na. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so mo to ato ang house, no? House tour diri sa Pristina. Thank you for watching, and if you wish to check this house actual, you can message me 0906-4343-707. Okay, see you in the next video.